For the past 40 years, Sweden's leading manufacturer of oral health products, constantly developing in cooperation with the leading experts in dental care. The company's founder was woodcarver Henning Eklund. He was a patient at the School of Dentistry in Malmö. Together with a couple of professors, he developed a triple-edged dental stick made of linden wood, a wood type well suited to the purpose. The dental sticks were sold at pharmacies in and around Malmö. Nearly 40 years later, the family-owned company TePe in Malmö has nearly 100 employees. TePe's products are available in Sweden at pharmacies and dental offices in both the public and private sectors. Bertil Eklund, the founder's son, is the owner and chairman of the board. He has worked for the company since the early 70s and developed the basic design for the TePe toothbrushes. He was also in charge of the development of the interdental brush in cooperation with the School of Dentistry in Malmö. Here we see him talking to the managing director, Birgitta Nilsson. TePe is present in some 40 countries in all parts of the world, with subsidiaries in Germany and the United States. And naturally, we take part in the major international dental trade fairs. TePe is the market leader in Sweden with respect to oral hygiene products. The company is growing at an annual rate of 20%, with investments in new machines and a new factory as visible results. The product line is constantly being developed from the product that started it all, the dental stick. The kinds of woods used today are birch and linden. The lumber is dried in a warehouse for a year before processing. From plank to dental stick requires planing and sawing. Extra thin, thin, and wide. 3 sizes, with or without fluoride impregnation. In independent surveys, TePe dental sticks have received top ratings, among other things for their fluoride effect. TePe's plastic dental stick is pliable and extra thin for tight spaces. The surface is slightly rough in order to increase the cleaning ability. TePe toothbrushes are manufactured in polypropylene, a material well suited to meet environmental demands. The shaft is ergonomically shaped to provide the best possible grip. The long, flexible neck makes it easier to reach everywhere. The tapering form of the head of the toothbrush also facilitates reaching all surfaces. The colored bristles at the top further simplify the cleaning process. This machine was designed with children in mind. Shapes that appeal to children are created using printing and drying processes. The smaller size of the head of the children's toothbrush is better suited to smaller mouths. And then there are the animal shapes in different colors. TePe, working with dental specialists, has developed toothbrushes designed for different patient groups with special needs. For example, TePe Special Care, with super soft bristles for thin and sensitive mucous membranes in the mouth. Special Care has 12,000 bristles, compared to a conventional toothbrush, which has 1,700. Here we see the manufacturing of interdental brushes, the company's biggest seller. It has become a success the world over. The interdental brush is special because of its ergonomically shaped shaft. Highly automated and cost-efficient production in operation around the clock. Here's an important stage: quality control. Both advanced technology and the human eye check everything. The interdental brush is used for cleaning approximal areas, that is, the spaces between the teeth. Because these spaces are different sizes, there are 8 different sizes of toothbrushes. Color codes make it easier to keep track of which size to buy. There are also brushes with long shafts in the same color codes. One reason for the interdental brush's great success is that awareness of how important it is to clean between the teeth is increasing. TePe cooperates with the Swedish Association of Periodontists to increase knowledge of periodontitis, a disease resulting in loosening of teeth, and of how to prevent it. 12 people work in TePe's Research and Development Department, often in cooperation with experts in dental care. One of their main tasks is to develop new products. Design is important, and new 3-dimensional models are generated in computers. From the computer, the idea proceeds to a numeric-controlled milling machine. The new prototype is developed and can be evaluated and tested. Another principal task is to develop new machines and improve already existing ones. It is also important for the company's future that the number of special products is increased. All in all, every effort is made to ensure that all of TePe's production remains under one roof, produced there and nowhere else. Widespread good oral health is of the highest priority in our vision of the future. That requires cooperation with the research units of dental schools' odontology institutes. TePe's products, made in Sweden, move forward throughout the country and the world. If you would like to know more, visit TePe's website at www.tepe.se.